Hello and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you're going to be able to use any song as your ringtone on iOS 26. This is actually very cool and you guys are really going to like it. So let's check this out. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your browser and then you type in any song you feel like. So I'm just going to search favorite story.mp3 and then I'm just going to search. So when I search, I'm going to see the song right here and then I'm just going to click on it like this and then I'm going to download it right away. So once I download it, it's actually going to pop up in my Files app and then I'm going to be able to use it as my ringtone. So when you download the song, you're going to see it in the Files app like this. So you can see it right here. I have it right here. And in order for you to be able to use the song as your ringtone, you need to trim it to 30 seconds in order for you to be able to use the song as your ringtone. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your App Store and then you're going to search for Ringtone Maker and then you're going to download this one right here. So once you download the Ringtone Maker, you're going to open the application, and once you open the application, you're going to tap on this section right here and then you tap on More and then you tap on Import from Files and you're going to tap on this one right here. So once you tap on it right here, you're going to tap on this section right here and then you tap on Trim and then you're going to be able to trim it to 30 seconds. So I'm just going to do it this way and then trim it to 30 seconds right here. So you can see the timer right here. So you trim it to 30 seconds and then you tap on this check mark right here. So once you're done, you're going to tap on this section right here and then you tap on Make and then you are going to scroll up right here and you are going to see use as ringtone. So you tap on it this way and then it's going to set as your ringtone. That's it right here. And then that's pretty much very cool. You don't need GarageBand, you don't need any lengthy steps. All you need to do is this short one and then you are good. So let me know in the comment section if this actually works for you, and also if you find this video very helpful, just share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Peace.